Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Steam Deck. Maybe it's in English and you want it to a different language, or you want to go back to English. Well, this is very easy to do. So if you can see all your games on the home screen here, press Steam. Open up this menu. Go down to settings. So just look at this little icon right here, this cog setting icon. Press this. So it might be in a different language. So you can see the settings right here, general, the cog. Now this is going to be the first option. So it says select preferred language right here. Got English. Got all these different languages. So just go ahead and press one of these, whatever language it is you want. And you should be good to go. So here's English. Let's go to this. And then we can show the battery percentage here. Oh, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.